All set now, ready to race. And the race is on. Street Bump. From the outside, No Money, No Honey, Love Story Creation is running by Darrell. No Money, No Honey leads by Sam, 2 lengths, followed by Creation in second. Love Story is racing in third, and on the outside, fourth by Sam, 2 lengths, Street Bump. Len Angel Dugo. Passing the half-mile post, No Money, No Honey leads by Sam, 2 lengths, followed by Love Story. Creation is racing in third, running in fourth, Street Bump. And at a far turn, No Money, No Honey, still leading by Sam, 2 lengths, Love Story in second. Street Bump racing in third by Sam, 2 lengths, Creation. As they race the last 500, No Money, No Honey by a length and a half, Love Story in second. As they race the final corner, No Money, No Honey, Love Story on the outside, Street Bump, Creation. Love Story, No Money, No Honey is running down on the inside. It's still Love Story, this time by Sam, 2 lengths, No Money, No Honey, Creation. And finally, Love Story, No Money, No Honey, Creation, Street Bump. Linden and Angel Dugo comes last.